Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about like operator in SQL Server with example. Yes, for that we need one table with the data. So I'm creating one table here. I'm inserting some values. So I'm inserting 7 rows of data into a table with the different names so that we can cover all the scenarios by using the like operator. So select all these things and execute. So the table got created and data got inserted, and you can see one row affected, like that 7 rows got affected. Now let's see what's the data in the table. Select star from student list. So here you can see all the data from that table, whatever we inserted. Before proceeding further, I would like to talk about the usage of like operator in SQL Server. The like operator is used in a where class to search for a specified pattern in a column. Now we'll see get the list from student list table where name starts with a percentile. For example, if any person has name with starting a, that should appear here. So here one more thing is here percentile means any character with any length. That means it can be any character or a string. So I'm writing all these things here, that will be easier for you to look at the screen and remember what I'm talking. Let's execute this. As you see, the result is none here because there is a no name which starts with character A. Now let's change this character A to R to see the list of student names which starts with character R instead of A. Let's execute this and see the result now. Here we got all the names which starts with character R. As you see here, so we have given R percentile in after like. That means we are telling to the SQL server, get me the names which starts with R, and then rest of the characters can be anything. Now I am selecting the table with and without like condition. Now compare it. You can easily see the difference. Now we'll see another scenario, that is get the list of names from a table which ends with R, not starts with R. Now it ends with R. For that I just kept the R at the end and percentile at the start. That means the name can be start with any character and any number of characters can be there, but it should end with the character R. Let's execute this and see the result. We have only one name in the table which ends with R, and we got that as a result. Now let's compare the entire table data with the conditions what we have given here. Let's see. The first set shown over here is the entire table data, and the second set is the second condition, that is which starts with R, and a third set is which ends with R, the name which ends with R. Now let's see the third scenario. I'm just copy pasting it down. So here I'm changing like not ends with R. Name should have the second character as A. Okay, the name should contain A as a second character. That means in second position the A should be their character. So for that I'm just changing this from percentile R to underscore A and then percentile. Let's see the result now. We got the list of names which has second character as A. Let me explain you the logic here. We kept underscore A percentile. Here underscore means any alphanumeric character or any special character, but it should be only one character, and then A, that means the second character should be A. After that percentile means anything. After that any number of characters, any characters can be there. Here we are telling that the second character should be A in the names. Now let's consider that we need the name which has the second character as E. So simply replace that A with the E and see the results. So we got the expected results here. Let's look at the another scenario. So we need the names which contains a character A. That means the character A can be at any place in the name. To achieve this, what I am going to write is percentile A and percentile. I hope you understood this. Again, I'm telling the percentile means anything, any character, or it can be empty also. That means it can start with A also. Here we are telling to SQL Server that give us the names which contains the character A irrespective of its position. Let's look at the another scenario, that is the name should starts with R and ends with character U. To achieve this, what I have written here is R percentile U. That means the name should start with R and ends with U. In between any number of characters, any characters can be there. Let's execute this and see the result here. The table has two names which starts with R and ends with U, and it given the result as expected. Let's look at the another example or scenario. So here we need the names which has third character as G, character G. It's similar to what we discussed earlier in this video. Instead of giving one underscore and character, now we'll give two underscores. That means first two characters can be anything, and it should be only two characters. And then we have given G, that means the third character should be G. And percentile, percentile means the this particular name can end with G, or it it can have any other characters. Let's execute this and see the result. We got the Raghu name as a output because it contains the third character G. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe and encourage us.